Hello everyone and welcome back to Beef Reacts. Today, we're checking out Chainsaw Man episode 6. I sound like a person. Abyss quick. There we go. Can't curse for 30 seconds. Just getting to the mood of the show. Where we last let off, things were not as they seemed. People were going to, it looks like we're stuck in some kind of loop with a powerful devil. And, yeah. Things look like they're getting serious for our heroes. Heroes? Anti-heroes? Simps? Cucks? I don't know. You use the words. I don't use them. Let's jump into it. Yo! I walk upstairs, you're upstairs. I walk downstairs, you're downstairs. Yeah?
小紅ちゃん、ダブルピースでじっとしてて。ありゃりゃ。アキくん、なんだこりゃ。
Some bullshit. If you want some real answers, bullshit. Because there's no way to leave. You're in a mirror dimension. Okay, first off, the directing of this show had to have won some award because it's fucking phenomenal. Like, I know, like, I say a lot, but, like, it is really cool directing. Excuse me. That's where I'm currently at in my D&D session. I have no idea. We're stuck in a cave, and I don't know how to get out. I've been trying. Doubtful.
閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだ。その悪魔が悪い。
ルナが殺せと言ったんじゃ。
言ってね。力は悪魔が死ねば解除されるから、それはありえない。
So it's just a stronger devil.
変の反応は。
それが全く反応がなくなりました。
さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられたってわけか。
Yeah.
こんなトリッキーなことしてくる悪魔、初めてだね。
Well, you know, it's some devils can be clever and other ones can be little bitches. Being a devil's not a science yet, but we're getting there. All right, we're working towards it. It's a moot point at the moment. We're working on our time.
そのデビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈るしかないね。私たち
Oh god, she's gonna be the first to die. Shut up.
小紅ちゃん、キョレ、デビルハンターやって兄を大学に行かせたいんだろ。
半分無理やりなんです。親が優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働かせたんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。
Jesus fucking Christ. What is with what the fuck? Like, why would it be like, hey, either work the pole or kill fucking ethereal beings that not even H.P. Lovecraft himself could come up with? Jeez, like, what fucking ultimatum? What an ultimatum. Then go to college. I'm not gonna lie to you. Power's kind of onto something, because girl, you could have just you could have done anything else. You chose to listen to your parents. Fuck your parents. Now listen, it's Japanese culture, so therefore what their parents say is basically the word of God, but like, you know, fuck your parents.
悪魔は恐怖が大好物だからね。怖がってたら相手の思うツボだよ。
でも怖いです。
アキくんまでどうしたの？
部屋の時計、さっきから8時18分です。どの部屋の時計も8時18分で止まっていました。この8階だけ
That's not
悪魔の
818.
力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。その場合、助けは来ないかもしれません。
すげえ、ジョー寝放題じゃねえか。
バカか貴様は。
I'm not gonna lie, Denji, that's a great fucking point. It's a point no one else made, Denji, and I respect you for making it, because only you could be the type of dumbass to make that. And you know what? Shut up. We might be trapped in here forever. I was dead 2 weeks ago. Every day's a blessing. Fuck you.
俺たちはここで永遠に閉じ込められるかもしれないんだぞ。
Yeah, let us.
そうなるかもしれねえし、ならねえかもしれねえだろ。分かったら起こして。こんないいベッドがあんだ。寝なきゃ損だね。俺は悪魔に感謝して眠るぜ。
King? Just how fucking stupid could you be?
ネット。
デンジ君、デンジ君、そろそろ起きて。
Hi.
8階から出られるようになったんすか？
残念ながらまだ無理っぽい。デンジ君が寝てる間に水と電気は使えることが分かったよ。
That's good to
食べ
know.
物は宿泊客が逃げるとき置いていった荷物に少しだけあった。正直さ、みんな参ってきてるんだよ。
Well, maybe you guys should have taken a fucking nap then. I'm not gonna lie to you. There were ample beds to sleep in. I was not the only one who had the opportunity to not sleep. This seems like this is completely a you problem and a you only problem, and I'm not trying to be a dick about it, but I don't care. I don't care. It is what it is.
アキ君はずーっと悪魔探してる。少しは休んだらって言っても聞いてくれない。
Who the
新
devil
井
is
君も
that?
最初こそアキ君を手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。小紅ちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させた。それで魔人ちゃんなんだけど。
パワーがどうかしたんです？
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。
Genius.
その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。人間が苦しんでる姿が見たいからの。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
I'm not gonna lie to you. She is a fucking genius. I'd vote for Power in an instant. I don't care that she's a devil. She'd be the most honest politician fucking out there, because that's what I want.
いつも通りっすね。
うん。ならよかった。3人で小紅ちゃんとライ君を見張ろう。私一人じゃトイレ。
I like the shoes. You guys are really freaking the fuck out over this, huh?
ああ、最後のタバコ。
うぬは落ち着いててつまらんの。
今アキ君が頑張ってるから私はゆっくり休んでていいの。あとニコチンの力依存できるもんがあるといいよね。何かに寄りかかっていきたい人生ですよ。
Hey, fucking
それ
man.
あいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあアキ君にタバコの味を教えたのは私だもん。
Aw, she taught him everything. They're cute. They are cute friends. Like, they're the type of wholesome friendship that I like. Just vibing.
アキくんは吸わないの？
骨が腐るから吸わない。
付き合いがあるから吸えた方がいいよ。
誰とも慣れ合う気はない。
なんで公安来たのか当てた。
They didn't have to do this shot, but they did, and a lesser anime wouldn't have. Which is kind of a thing about, like, at least newer anime that I do really like is the fact that they do so much in the camera movement and the dynamic shots. Like, they really love. The beginning is an homage to different movies and different, like, cinema, and you can tell the director just loves the art, loves the aspect, loves the craft itself, because why do this? Why do that type of swing that you'd only see in a fucking movie? Because they give a fuck.
なんで公安来たのか当ててあげる。銃の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。
Yeah, I am.
公安に来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。公安だけが銃野郎の肉片持つこと許されてるもんね。デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
I'm with it.
俺は簡単には死なない。
そうしてね。バディが死ぬのは面倒だからさ。
Oh, smack the shit out of her for what? Getting her son killed?
あれは前のバディの
Oh!
死んだバディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのはよくあること。
Yeah.
悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たるの。
It's only fair.
そういうのもデビルハンターの仕事のうちだって思うことにしてるけど。
He smacks the shit out of her.
何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。やられたらやり返すべきだ。あんたの問題じゃない。俺がムカつくんだ。だからやり返しといてやった。
Weirdly king move, like it's like a himbo-esque situation here, and I don't hate him for it. He's definitely he's a keeper in a lot of ways. Like, he's a sweetheart, he's a keeper, he's doing what he should, and I like that. Wow, my footage is super grainy. I'm just realizing that it has to either be really dark in here or this camera really sucks.
ざまあみろ。あいつは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ。
That is very sweet of him.
そういや師匠が言ってたな。悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターは強いやつでも勇敢なやつでもないって。頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。だからアキくんは長生きできそう。
そりゃ嫌味か。杏仁豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
I want the tofu, goddammit.
1本あげる。
骨が腐るから吸わない。
長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。
Fine. That is weirdly sexual, the way that was framed, because it's kind of like she's holding it up and then going for the... But, like, this conversation could have the subtextual meaning that they sleep together. Low-key, I could see it. He's gonna be lighting one immediately.
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
だね。これ最後の一本。
King.
それくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
キスだ！ずるい！関節キスだ！
黙れ。
We're homies. We fuck.
悪いニュースがある。俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
Oh! Well, he's killed the people we were supposed to. Oh.
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。 見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪魔だ。
人間たちよ、愚かな人間たちよ、私は契約を交渉する。
喋った。契約だと。
そこの出口という人間を私に食わせろ。殺したいでもいい。私に食わせろ。そうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す。無事に返す。契約しろ。
No, thank you. Oh, he's gonna try to kill him.
ベンジ、食わせろ。
Don't be a cunt. Yeah, we'll let you eat him.
うっさいな。アキくん、キツネで飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン。やっぱりキツネは来ませんね。こ
L.
こは外と断絶されてるんだ。
キツネの体は京都にあるからね。じゃ、私のゴーストでやるから。
You only got a hand, though. Oh! Oh, that's more than a hand. Holy shit.
これは私の本体ではない。ここに私の心臓はない。ここは胃の中。私の弱点は間違いにはない。私と契約する以外生きては帰れない。
どうせ俺を殺しても外には出さねえくせによ。
それはないよ。契約ってあの悪魔は言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの。
This is true. Devils notoriously and throughout history have always worked based on contract law. It's a weird thing about devils. They fucking love contracts. Because they love... If you want to go into a religious aspect within at least the Christian mythos, the concept is that the devil doesn't actually want your soul. The devil just wants you to fucking not be with the higher power or some shit like that. Which is why the devil's number is 6, because God made man on the 6th day. And the whole point is that if you're going to be satanic, a big thing with being satanic actually is not worshiping the devil, it is worshiping the self. Which is why most things that are satanic, in the sense of like, how is this? In the sense of like the proper usage of the term satanic, really just means they are going for one, like it elevates the self above all else. Like, if you want to be greedy, fine, but if you have a love of money that is so, if you have a love of status and wealth so much that you care more about your status and wealth than you do about being a good person, that is a satanic concept. If you envy other people to the point that you are going to lust after the things that they have, that's satanic to its own, like, point. Like, point being is that demons and devils and yada yada typically work based on contract law because they want to have one's own hubris and pride be their downfall and not the devil's doing. Which is why more often than not, in most ghost stories and most demonic possessions, you have to let the devil in. And before you say, oh, demon possessions only happen to those that believe in it. Sure. Sure. Like, just, sure. Because hypothetically speaking, if you just want to think about it logically, if there is an afterlife, if those stories are real and it's not a bunch of bullshit, hypothetically, would they go after the people they already know aren't fucking going anywhere? Just hypothetically. Or are they going to go after the people that are super fucking OD religious and then try to sway them because that makes their ego go above and beyond? I don't know. That always just made sense to me, but then again, it's probably bullshit. Who fucking knows? Because I don't. I think I do, but I don't. But I'm not here to preach because I'm not a preacher. I'm here to just say that devils work based on contract law, and it's been known since the fucking is it Song of Solomon? It's been known since the Song of Solomon. It's been known after that. Almost every single instance of a devil popping up in most mythology, not even just Christian mythology, just most mythology, has it where they are working based on contract law. And like, I'm not a contractor, but if I was, I don't know, can you get lawyers involved with devil contracts? It's an interesting question.
契約を片方が守れば、もう片方も絶対に守らなければならない。守れず破った方は死ぬ。だからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だよ。
姫野先輩、そいつは殺すべきです。
Alright, thanks, bitch.
一度そいつを殺して外に出た後に対策を練ればいい。このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。
Makes sense to me.
わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。ノーベルのために死んどくれ。
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない。だからお前がデンジを殺しても悪魔を外に出す義理はない。とにかくデンジは殺さない。俺たちはデビルハンター。
Respect.
殺すのは悪魔だけだ。
暇だから押し相撲するか。
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
Fucking love power. Power is the best of just, it's a means to an end and I'll do whatever I feel.
腹減った。
アキ君、実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。でもデンジも殺すつもりはない。
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。
Well, they said this is the monster's stomach, so why there has to be a way to get to the bowel, right? This guy's gonna shit you out. So like, hypothetically, what if you just start feeding it like a bunch of Taco Bell?
どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
刀使えば解決できんならよ、使えばいいじゃん。
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使わない。その時は悪いけど。デンジ君が死んで。
Respect.
ない。ベッドに置いておいた食料が全部ない。なんで
Was it power? Fucking love power. Queen shit.
貴様が全部食べたのか。
わしじゃない。デンジが食べておったわ。
すぐバレる嘘。
分かっちゃった。私分かっちゃった。その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ。絶対そうだ。違うが。
落ち着けコメリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。
魔人をかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなのに。
Why are you so upset? Bitch, you're better off being a sex worker. I'm sorry. I didn't want to have to say it, but like, maybe you're making it look like $60 an hour on your back and fucking pretending to moan some stranger's name is gonna be worse than this, because you cannot handle this job and it is not nearly the amount of the stress. However, I think if you go in the prostitution route, your pimp's gonna get you addicted to drugs, and it's not, both of these stories didn't end well for you. You chose the nobler option, which respect, but this ain't gonna work for nobody, sweetie. You're fucked. You're just fucked, alright? I didn't want to have to say it, but you're fucked.
酸っぱいじゃ。
俺は悪魔の仲間。
Spicy. Why is she so crazy?
姫？
先輩、
心臓をよこせ。私は今日で膨らみ
Eternity Devil. Yeah, girl, you gotta fucking stop doing whatever the fuck you're doing, because it is not the move. Yeah, they don't deserve to be on this team at all.
刀を使う。いいですよね、姫野先輩。姫野先輩。おいあんた、何してんだ。
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキくんの寿命がかなり減るの。アキくんはまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。
Amen.
だからごめんね、デンジ君。
おい触んな。
God damn. He likes him now? Are you gonna start looking it up?
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが、銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ。奴を殺すには立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンターが一人でも多く欲しい。俺の寿命を減らしてでも天地は殺させない。
Damn, he's doing this. Denji really said, I fucking hate that God Devil guy. And Aki was like, yeah, fuck that guy. And after being like, yeah, fuck that guy, they became homies. The oldest friendship in the book is just mutual hatred, and I love it.
パワー、お前血の魔人なんだろ。
Yeah?
こいつの血止められるか。
No.
私が自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃが。ちょんまげが死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるからな。仕方なくやってやるわ。
I'm with that.
どうしよう。どうしよう。アキくん、どうしよう。私のせいじゃない。あなたのせいだから。あなたがおとなしく食べられてたら解決したのに。
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われてやら。
それならよかった。
でも俺も抵抗すっからよ。もし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったら、まだ忘れてねえからな。
勝つ算段があるのか。
クソ痛えけどチェーンソーになる。
チェーンソー。
あの悪魔なんだか知らねえが俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる。だから自分じゃ手出せなくててめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。それにあの悪魔攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよ、あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
Yeah, I love it. I fuck with it.
てめえ、俺をかばいやがって。
Dumbass.
余計なことすんじゃねえよ、クソが。俺は誰かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
So when the chainsaws come out? Oh, end credits? Bitches! Awesome, but bitches! I fuck with the ending though. With it. What's the question of the day gonna be? Let's make sure I'm good here. I think I'd put this lower because it's not the same beat. Doesn't go as hard. That's a cool fucking shot. With it. Those the manga panels they chose? Because that's kind of hype. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you don't mind, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Question of the day is what is your biggest fear? Second question of the day is what music do you like? Depending on which question you want to answer, I don't really know, but either way, post every day, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch all of you tomorrow.